The amount basically is right now at $0, which generally is very huge. The $0 level for SPELL USD for the most part is areas of strength for truly, by and large, is genuinely huge. SPELL USD really has gone up against with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090, which especially is genuinely huge. Bears control spells especially current cost activities, or so they truly thought. The 9th of June 2023. In this video we will really walk you through generally spell in every practical sense. Token cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense, sought clarification on some pressing issues. What explicitly is somewhat transient cost expectation for in every practical sense. Spell token basically is generally spell an essentially wise venture, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Spell really token help and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they generally thought. However, prior to plunging exceptionally profound into the spell specialized examination, fundamentally let us basically discuss the kind of current economic situations, which sort of is genuinely critical. Market examination over the in every way that really matters. Last 24 hours, there truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1.106973065,872, showing how SPELL USD essentially is stood up to with opposition level of R1 at $0.00096090, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. But for the most part complete exchanging volume truly remains at $25,050,644,957, showing that the $0 level for SPELL USD sort of is serious areas of strength for truly, in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 46.63% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which for the most part shows that market examination over the in every practical sense. Last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1.106973065,872, showing how SPELL USD especially is faced with obstruction level of R1 at $0.00096090, or so they basically thought, which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decay of 0% in a quite large manner. Various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM in a real sense has seen a value reduction of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours, or so they essentially thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.39, following a value change of 1.18% within a similar time period, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, sort of is up by 1.93 and right now exchanging at 53 cents, exhibiting how various elective digital currency, as ETHEREUM basically has seen a value reduction of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which essentially is very critical. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market especially is going in an essentially descending heading for truly present moment, which certainly shows that bears control spells sort of current cost activities, which fundamentally is very critical. Right now, a sort of broad quite bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a quite huge manner. Spell really token help and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.39, following a value change of 1.18% within a similar time span and in every practical sense, significant way. Support basically is a level at which purchasers really become essentially more extremely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which vendors in every way that really matters move especially dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in an unpretentious manner. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of for the most part spell genuinely token, especially spell in every practical sense. Token execution, the cost of truly spell truly token by and large is at $0, down 1.69% in the for the most part beyond 24 hours and especially has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC explicitly is 7,682,709.00 US dollars, while fundamentally all-out market cap came to $89,992,626 USD, which basically is genuinely huge. There explicitly are practically 103,446,920,678 explicitly are available for use out of 103,214,939,480. Certainly further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM in every way that really matters, has seen a value reduction of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours. Genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Spell pretty symbolic value investigation in a real sense spell cost examination for the 9th of June 2023 inside a sort of everyday time period truly made sense of beneath, which certainly is genuinely critical. We utilize genuinely relative strength index, moving commonly normal combination and difference, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving pretty normal and dramatic moving commonly normal to truly break down the future development of the spell token, exhibiting how as of now, a genuinely broad genuinely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. While Spell's Williams %R marker in a real sense is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange essentially signal in a real sense is truly conceivable at this rate. Fundamentally further appearance how following sort of are the help and opposition levels of by and large spell pretty token generally spell most certainly token execution the cost of truly spell extremely token fundamentally is at $0, down 1.69% in the truly beyond 24 hours and especially has a value change of 6.06% throughout the week, which in every way that really matters is very huge. The SPELL USD moving normal combination and dissimilarity pointer certainly is showing a fundamentally present moment in a real sense sell pretty sign as the MACD line by and large is moving beneath all things considered. Signal line which by and large means especially bears explicitly are overwhelming on the lookout. Especially further appearance how XRP the essentially local coin of XRP for the most part is up by 1.93 and right now exchanging at 53 cents. Exhibiting how various elective digital currencies, as ETHEREUM sort of has seen a value decline of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. According to the cost examination, the spell cost may essentially track down help at these significant degrees of $0, moving beneath these levels could in every practical sense carry the cost to $0. So the $0 level for SPELL USD by and large is actually areas of strength for quite an extremely enormous way. On the really opposite side, the obstruction levels especially are at $0, showing how we utilize pretty relative strength index, moving essentially normal union and dissimilarity, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving fundamentally normal and outstanding moving truly normal